Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was towards 1000 strategy is used in the context of elimination of HIV/AIDS, education of tribal areas, International Solar Alliance or refugee management. The correct answer is option C, International Solar Alliance. The International Solar Alliance is guided by its towards 1000 strategy. It aims to mobilize 1,000 billion US dollars of investments in solar energy solutions by 2030 while delivering energy access to 1,000 million people using clean energy solutions and resulting in installation of 1,000 gigawatt of solar energy capacity. This would help mitigate global solar emissions to the tune of 1,000 million tons of CO2 every year. Hence, option C is correct. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, consider the following statements regarding the International Union of Geological Sciences or IUGS. 1. It was founded in 1961. 2. Its secretariat is financially supported by the government of China and the IUGS. Which of the above given statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Momlu Cave in Meghalaya selected as one of the first 100 geoheritage sites listed by UNESCO. It is located in the East Khasi Hills district. Thairia sandstone, thick dolomite, Sylhet limestone are among the layers that make up this intricate sub-horizontal network of passages. The IUGS, founded in 1961 with 121 national members representing over 1 million geoscientists, is one of the world's largest scientific organizations. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The IUGS secretariat is located in Beijing, China and is financially supported by the government of China and the IUGS. Hence, statement 2 is also correct. Therefore, option C is correct. Internationally significant geological sites are listed by the IUGS, including those with tectonic, sedimentological, petrological, mineralogical, hydrogeological, paleontological, geomorphological and history of geological sciences connections. Next question is, which of the following countries is not a part of the Cotton 4? Benin, Niger, Chad or Mali? The correct answer is option B, Niger. The World Cotton Day 2022 was observed on October 7th. The theme was Weaving a Better Future for Cotton. The first World Cotton Day was proposed by the World Trade Organization on October 7, 2019 by the Cotton 4 sub-Saharan African cotton producers Benin, Burkina Faso, Chad and Mali, collectively known as the Cotton 4. Hence, option B is correct. The word cotton is derived from the Arabic word kutan. Cotton is grown in more than 75 countries across 5 continents and is traded worldwide. It comes from the natural fibers of cotton plants which are native to tropical and subtropical regions. Next question is, in the context of the Indian defense capabilities, the weapons systems or WS branch is related to Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force or Indian Coast Guard. The correct answer is option C, Indian Air Force. In a historic step for the Indian Air Force or IAF, government has approved the creation of a new branch called the Weapons Systems or WS branch. The creation of WS branch would entail unification of all weapons system operators under one entity dedicated to the operational employment of all ground-based and specialist airborne weapon systems. The branch would encompass operators in 4 specialized streams of surface-to-surface missiles, surface-to-air missiles, remotely piloted aircraft, and weapon system operators in twin and multi-crew aircraft. The branch will contribute immensely by enhancing the war-fighting capability of the Indian Air Force. Hence, option C is correct. Next question is, with reference to the Indian biodiversity, the National Wildlife Week is observed in which of the following months? September, October, November or December? The correct answer is option B, October. Wildlife Week is celebrated all over the country in the month of October from 2nd to 8th October every year with the view to preserve the fauna, means the animal life of India. Hence, option B is correct. It was first started in the year 1952 with the great vision of saving the life of the Indian animals by taking some critical steps. The Indian government has established an Indian Board of Wildlife which works to improve the awareness as well as the consciousness of the Indian people towards the wildlife preservation. Next question is, with reference to the National Tiger Conservation Authority or NTCA, consider the following statements. 1. It has been constituted under Section 38L1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 2. The Minister in charge of the Ministry of Environment and Forest is its chairperson. 3. It is a statutory body. Which of the above given statement or statements is or are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has constituted a task force for monitoring cheetah introduction in Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh and other suitable designated areas. NTCA would facilitate the working of cheetah task force and render all necessary help. NTCA has been constituted under Section 38L1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The authority consists of the Minister in charge of the Ministry of Environment and Forest as chairperson, the Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment and Forest as vice chairperson, 3 members of Parliament, Secretary, Ministry of Environment and Forest, and other members. Hence, statement 2 is correct. It is a statutory body under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Therefore, option D is correct. Next question is, recently the term Modhera was in the news. It is related to India's first solar-powered village, indigenous stubble burning tool, freshwater fish found in Indus, or rocket launch pad of ISRO. The correct answer is option A, India's first solar-powered village. Recently, Modhera in Mehsana is declared as the country's first round-the-clock solar-powered village. Hence, option A is correct. It is a joint effort by the central and state governments at Rs 80.66 crore. The government has allocated 12 hectares of land in the nearby Sajjanpura village to set up battery energy storage system or BESS for the same. Solar panels have been installed at residential houses in Modhera. During the daytime, the village will get solar power and at night, it will be powered by BESS. Modhera village also houses the world-famous Sun Temple, which has been facilitated with heritage lighting and 3D projection that will function on solar power. Next question is, they have a hump and a ridge of sharp bumps along their backs instead of a dorsal fin. They are one of the types of whale. Locals affectionately call them friendly ones as they have an unusual tendency to approach whale watching boats and check out the occupants. What is their name? Grey whale, bowhead whale, fin whale, or sea whale? The correct answer is option A, grey whale. The number of grey whales migrating along the Pacific coast of North America has steadily declined by nearly 40% from a 2016 peak. Grey whales have a hump and a ridge of sharp bumps along their backs instead of a dorsal fin. They are a type of baleen whale, which means they filter food from the water through special bristly structures in their mouths. They stay close to shore and feed in shallow water. The IUCN status of the grey whale is least concern. They are between 40 and 50 feet long. The calm, warm waters of the lagoons are a safe place for young whales, free from predators like killer whales. Locals affectionately call them friendly ones as they have an unusual tendency to approach whale watching boats and check out the occupants. Hence, option A is correct. Next question is, in the context of Indian art and culture, the term Tarpa is referred to puppetry, folk music, literature, or folk dance. The correct answer is option D, folk dance. Tarpa is the most popular and colorful folk dance among the Warli, Kokna and Koli tribes and is best seen in Silvassa. Hence, option D is correct. It involves the men and the women and is performed at night during the harvest season, that is September to Diwali. The man with the tarpa, a wind instrument made from the gourd, bamboo and palm leaves, stands in the middle of a circle made by the others holding each other around the waist. Next question is, it is a protected Chilean wildlife area located in Easter Island. It is among the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It has numerous monumental carved stone figures known as moai. What is it? Pumalin National Park, Lauca National Park, Rapa Nui National Park, or Fray George National Park? The correct answer is option C, Rapa Nui National Park. A forest fire that tore through part of Easter Island has charred some of its monumental carved stone figures known as moai. Rapa Nui National Park is a protected Chilean wildlife area located in Easter Island, which concentrates the legacy of the Rapa Nui culture. This culture displayed extraordinary characteristics that are expressed in singular architecture and sculpture within the Polynesian context. The island was colonized toward the end of the first millennium of the Christian era by a small group of settlers from eastern Polynesia. Their culture manifested itself between the 11th and 17th centuries in great works such as the Ahu, ceremonial platforms, and carved moai colossal statues representing ancestors. Moai range in height from 2 meters to 20 meters and are for the most part carved from the yellow-brown lava tuff using simple picks or toki made from hard basalt and then lowered down the slopes into previously dug holes. It is the area around the Rano Raraku volcano. Hence, option C is correct. Last question is, Bhubaneswari temple is located in which of the following Indian states? Odisha, Tripura, West Bengal, or Chhattisgarh? The correct answer is option B, Tripura. Bhubaneswari temple, 55 km from Agartala, located on the eastern fringe of Udaipur town by the bank of river Gomati in Tripura. It is now under the control and supervision of the Archaeological Survey of India. Maharaja Govinda Manikya 1660 to 1677 built the temple. It is constructed during 1660 to 1675 AD. This temple is immortalized in Rabindranath Tagore's famous plays known as Rajarshi and Visarjan. Maharaja Govinda Manikya also features as an important character in Tagore plays. Hence, option B is correct. Now it's time for the practice question. The Van Allen probes is associated with marine life, space exploration, forestry, or defense capabilities. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.